Subscribers, internet strangers, welcome to another estate sale. Isn't this exciting?
She said that. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, do you need any of these?
That's electric, don't want electric.
Okay.
No.
Chairs.
Yeah, well, we don't have much to trim, but we'll have to trim, you have to.
That looks brand new.
Thank you.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
She is coveting your fan.
Yes, put it down. Just
I know. Everybody needs
step ladder first.
No, you're right about that.
Close.
Yes. Nope.
They're from you.
Right.
Well, I better check y'all's driver's license. Yeah. Because I don't know about y'all. You ready?
Mine's already expired, but so that's why I didn't put it on. All right, Donahue. Hell, I bet half the people watching this video don't know who Phil Donahue was. Hey, there's a nice hat for Bill old BP. Where you? That's just my style right there. You need a car manual for a Range Rover? All right, well, I'm buying a Range Rover car manual. Yeah, this is a Range Rover tire warranty. I think I can get 30-40 bucks for it. All right. Look at that right there. A golden hot iconic soft jumbo bonnet dryer. I wonder if that dry a beard. That's what I need right there. The golden hot beard dryer. Oh, that's a good one. For everybody who's looking at those right there, the great courses. I'm gated on these stupid things. Holy crap. This thing's worth $50 on Amazon. Let's see if I can get ungated.
Over here. Over here. No, don't bother.
Probably not. Requires approval. Request approval. Guess what? Yep, whammy. I forgot to say big bucks, no whammy. Damn it. Auburn Tigers suck. What do y'all think? A $3 phone? Yep. What is that? That's like a garage door opener. There's money in garage door openers too. Did I tell you that? Oh, I've sold one of those things. What are these things? It's it's an Infralux heat lamp. Let's look that up. $30. Oh, that's what. Because I need all this stuff.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I got in here like, what you do? Okay, doke. Hi, guys.
I know this charger goes with it. I just don't know how the hell it fits on this phone. Oh well.
Look at you with the towels.
Yeah. I guess it works.
Good helper. Are you getting issues? Okay, good. My mom's favorite. She said that.
No, I'm fine, thank you.
What do manufacturers have against putting in extra stuff to make the bag where it fits? It's like I was trying to put a tent back in a bag. How many people think I need that? but there's a I'm ready for Hillary bumper sticker. Oh, what your is it a MAGA hat?
You can take one. This one. I think they're 8 and 8.5. Some of them are a little big. Some are a little. That's probably what happened. But you know, I like it here. A little here.
Yeah, that's
And
nice.
they're so flat.
Yep.
They get 2 pair there. Or I get interested what size they are. They 8, 8.5, I think.
Those of y'all playing here at the home game, you don't know how important that is. Second time's a charm, right? I heard that somewhere. Now let's go. This is item number 1. It's an Infralux heat lamp. As the instructions in it is a model. It'll fix all those things. Tennis elbow, arthritis, bursitis, muscular backache. And I've got a bridge to sell you somewhere if you believe all that. But the reason why I bought it is I have sold one of these before. So number 2, this is How Jesus Became God course guidebook, the great courses. You're looking for that right there, the great courses. Most of them come with a DVD and a book. I'm restricted on Amazon, but that sells for $50 on Amazon. I'll post the eBay listing because I'm listing viewing pleasure. All right, next up for your viewing pleasure is this little AT&T Pantech phone with a charger. It's important to look around. The charger was not with it. It was in a different box, as if you saw me fiddling around the table. Found the charger. Easy to identify. Most of the cell phones, it says Pantech on it. And then, of course, it fits in the little phone. It has a different adapter, so I would have had to buy that charger because it's not a micro USB or anything. So it was a good deal to find the cable. I would not have bought the phone without the charger. Fine, we have going up for sale is this 2012. Oops, put it in upside down. Range Rover Owner's Handbook. It is a 2012 LR2. Paid $1. The phone paid $3. What's the other stuff? Paid $3 on the massager and $1 on the book and DVD. All right. I'm gonna list these real quick and add them to the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this trip to an estate sale. I'm trying something different this time. Anything I buy at the estate sales from now on, I'll come home and list them and then add my eBay listings to it so you can see my eBay listing as well. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Appreciate you. Roll Tide.